Welcome to El Mercado, a family-owned business and the only 100% Edmontonian tortilla factory. We moved to Edmonton a few years ago, but we proudly maintain our Mexican roots and traditions. Mexican food, including tortillas, are definitely a part of our everyday life, and this is what made us come up with the idea of having a tortilla factory. Tortillas are healthy and versatile, good for a quick bite or a whole complex meal. Tortillas are used every day to prepare various recipes ideal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Sharing the knowledge and enjoyment of the Mexican cuisine is one of our company goals. Tortillas are a fundamental component of the rich and diverse Mexican cuisine. The origin of tortilla is not known with certainty, but it most probably was originated near the Mexican city of Tlaxcala, a name that derives from the Nahuatl expression Tlaxcali Tlan, or place of tortillas. The history of tortilla is linked with that of its main ingredient, corn. Corn is native to the Americas. Before the Spaniards introduced it to Europe, corn had been grown for centuries. The earliest evidence of domesticated corn, or maize, is from more than 7,000 years ago. Corn plays an important role in the development of two of the greatest pre-Columbian cultures, the Aztecs and the Incas. Both civilizations considered corn as a sacred food. The secret of corn tortillas is that they can be more nutritious than their main ingredient. The key to transform and nourish corn into a more nutritious food is a process known as nixtamalización. The word nixtamalización derives from the Nahuatl word nextamali, roughly translated to formless corn dough. The traditional process begins by boiling corn dents in an alkaline solution of water and calcium hydroxide, or slaked lime. This simple, yet fundamental step also gives corn the dough-like properties needed to make tortillas. After simmering for a few minutes, the corn soup is dried and then ground using a stone tool known as metate to make a pliable dough. Each tortilla is then formed by flattening the right amount of dough using a simple tortilla press. The flattened dough is cooked on a hot, clay surface or comal to finally make a delicious tortilla. Here in El Mercado, we bring in superior quality ingredients for our tortillas and fabricate them using an automated industrial equipment in a process that we constantly monitor for quality control. The process starts with corn flour. The flour is simply a dehydrated corn mixture that has been previously prepared using the nixtamalización method described before. The flour is placed in a mixer and water is added to the mix to hydrate the flour. The dough, or masa, is then fed into the machine, which pushes it to create a continuous flat layer of dough. The flattened dough is cut into a specific round size, depending on whether tortillas taqueras or regular size are to be made. The raw tortillas are then heated for a few minutes in several stages using an oven specifically designed for the process. The temperature of the oven is controlled and modified according to the desired characteristics of the tortilla. Once tortillas are cooked, they're cooled down and checked for consistency. Tortillas are then weighted and packed for distribution. El Mercado currently produces enough tortillas per week to feed 4 typical Mexican families for a year, guaranteed that you can always find fresh products. El Mercado Inc. has progressively grown to offer tortillas and tortilla chips in various stores and restaurants in Edmonton, St. Albert, Sherwood Park, Spruce Grove, Red Deer, and Calgary. Friends and family work together to offer delicious Mexican-style products.